This is the breakfast that's gonna pull you through not only that day, but the whole week. It's gonna probably make your whole month. I'm making my favorite Japanese breakfast. Sweets to tobacco. I actually had to look that up on Google Translate because of course I don't speak any Japanese, but what I love about Japanese cooking, they love their steaks just as I do. And look at this beauty. Isn't she gorgeous? A5 BMS12 wagyu, the original Japanese wagyu, real high quality. This is as good as it gets. Insane. It's part of the ribeye and this stuff is so good. Actually, this part is like the cap, which is insane. It's perfect. We're gonna make a breakfast out of it because Japanese love their eggs. I got fresh eggs from my own hens, straight from the hen house, laid yesterday. What more can you want? How much more Japanese than that can it get? Honest ingredients, lots and lots of flavor. Let's get started. And I'm starting this recipe with fried rice. My personal recipe for fried rice. Eat this, Uncle Roger. I gotta have the holy trinity, the leek, carrots, and ham. Both cut into chunks, and we gotta have equal amounts of it. It's gotta be fresh, it's gotta be pure, and it's gotta be tasty. This is the base for all good fried rices. Now that we got this chopped up, it's time to start frying. I got my pan on a hot stove and I'm stir frying my veggies and ham. We don't want them to completely turn soft, we just need it to release its flavor. A nice bit of crisp in the carrot always needs to be there. Then I'm adding my fresh cooked rice, a little bit of veichin, also known as MSG, and your fried rice is done. Oh. Whew. My Joe Jr. is up to temperature, it's searing hot. I got my grill grate in with the elevation. Now we can put our cast iron pan in. I'm going to let the pan become hot and then I'm going to put my steak in. Let it come up to temperature, real slow, and build up that crust. Then flip it over, build up the crust on the other side. And you don't need any oil, you don't need any butter with a steak like this. The fat will melt out of the steak and will become its own film, the protection layer between the pan and the meat. Once the fat is rendered down and the steak is grilled, I'm taking it off and let it rest. Then I'm gonna sprinkle it with a little bit of salt. In the meantime, I'm gonna crack 3 eggs, beat them until they're nice and fluffy, put them in the pan with the fat off the steak, and here is where the magic happens, because that egg is gonna take up all of that flavor from the steak, absorb it, and hold on to it. Put the fried egg on a plate, add your fried rice, then slice up your beautiful Japanese steak and put it on the other side. Now look at this picture. That makes me hungry.
You're proud.
Yeah, this is like one of those proud moments. If this were somebody would bring me this breakfast, I would consider this person my friend. If you have a friend and you're having a tough situation and you're feeling kind of down on your luck, and your friend says, hey, here's a breakfast to cheer up your day, man, you can do it. This is the breakfast that's gonna pull you through not only that day, but the whole week. It's gonna probably make your whole month. I have the perfect sweater for this. Hold on. Barbecue the goat. Who is the goat? For all the boomers out there that don't know who what the goat is, Morrison, please explain what the goat is.
It's the top of the food chain.
Top of the food chain, the greatest of all times. Barbecue the goat. Since I am the goat, I don't have to share with anybody. Uh-oh.
I'm not hungry.
No.
He's not hungry.
No. Okay. I take it back.
I'm giving it to the dog.
I'm just in the roll of my sweater. I'm just in the roll of my own hoodie. Come on, I gotta sell this
You
thing.
said you were not hungry.
Imagine buying a breakfast like this in a restaurant. Man, it would cost like a 250 euros to buy this in a restaurant. Does your chicken eat like
Nice. Corn.
I thought more like, I don't know.
Wagyu steaks.
I haven't seen an egg that's so yellow. Personally, I love my fried rice simple. I want to keep it clean, but I like it the way the Chinese restaurants do it in the Netherlands. And I know this is not the original fried rice. This is like the fast food fried rice that we have in Europe. I absolutely love it. It's the way I like it. And I like my breakfast like this. You hardly noticed from the texture that there's a steak in between the rice and the egg. It all becomes one. Oh, perfect wagyu, perfect everything, perfect breakfast. I don't think people should know I eat breakfast like this every morning.
Come on.
It's true.
Come on.
What do you think I eat then? Yogurt? Dude. If my mother sees this, that I'm eating steak for breakfast, oh man, she's gonna slap me, definitely. And honestly, if you can't afford the wagyu, it's okay.
It's not okay.
It's okay. You're the goat. For me, it's okay. I can live with the egg and the rice. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to find out this recipe, go to the link down under. Down under. Australia, not Australia. Just right there. Just click on the link, find the recipe. You can print it out. It's there. It's an amazing recipe. Just try it. I want to thank all the patrons and the YouTube members. Thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you guys next time. Until then.
It's makkelijk.
And keep on grilling.
That's right.
Did you ever see a chicken eating a €100 wagyu steak? Like, that's a $150 wagyu steak. Let's see if we can find a chicken who wants it. Any volunteers? And now you wonder why my eggs are so yellow? Now you know, Marcel.